Woodpecker Series-2. Welcome to the new forest, Dehradun. Earlier we have seen two species of woodpecker family. Today, two new species will be introduced here. First one is Fulvous Breasted Woodpecker and the second one is Lesser Yellownape. In the previous series, those two woodpeckers are usually seen in this jungle, but now in this video these two birds appear occasionally. One is Fulvous Breasted Woodpecker. The name is because of having the fulvous colored underpart, and the other one is Lesser Yellownape Woodpecker. You can see the yellow nape of this species. Fulvous breasted male has red cap, so we can say that this one is a female because of having grayish black cap. Fulvous is a color sometimes described as buff, beige or butterscotch color, the color of almond, the color of creamy biscuit. Lesser Yellownape has white underpart which is barred with green colored vertical linings. The upper parts are olive green apart from the bright yellow tufted nape. The rump and tail is blackish. The adult male lesser yellownape has red markings above the eye and above the nape and red moustachial stripes. Scientific name of Fulvous breasted woodpecker is Dendrocopus massii. Scientific name of lesser yellownape is Picus chlorolophus. Fulvous breasted is a medium-sized pied woodpecker. Upper parts are black, heavily barred white, under tail red, breast and belly buff with light flank barring and slight side streaking, whitish cheeks partly bordered by black line. Females have only a red patch above the ear coverts. The habitats of Fulvous breasted woodpecker are subtropical, tropical, dry forest, subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest, and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. Feet of woodpeckers are zygodactyls or yoked feet with two toes pointing forward and two backward. The long tongue can be darted forward to capture insects.